Okay, okay, yeah. So I just want to show you the right fingers to use when playing your scale, your A flat. A flat. Remember your A flat scale is A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Now the right fingers are, your thumb is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for your A flat, you start with your second finger. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do you understand? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Going back is 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. That's for your right hand. For your left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For your left hand, you start from your 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, sorry, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, sorry. And when going back, it's the same thing. 2, 1, 3, no, sorry, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's quite different. So that's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's the descending. Ascending is 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, or 2, anyone. Descending 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And like that. There's no light, so you won't be able to hear the sound. And so that's basically for your A flat major. So once you learn it, it helps you to be able to play the notes without using the wrong fingers. Is that okay? Thank you.